Let me guess, your shorts are getting thousands of views, but when you check your watch hour, it seems like something is not moving. I have seen this happen to so many small creators, and honestly, it is frustrating because it feels like YouTube is teasing you. But here is what most people don't realize: your problem is not the views, it is what happens after the views. And in the next few minutes of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I started turning short views into actual watch hours without needing to go viral again and again. So let's dive straight into the main video. So let me tell you this: shorts are not the problem, but the way we use them is what keep us stuck. Because if you're only chasing views, you are basically building attention that goes nowhere. So let me show you what actually changed everything for me and what you should implement in your own channel so that you can start using your short to get in watch hours on your video and also get monetized. But before I dive in, the first thing you need to understand is short views and watch hours live in two different worlds. Someone can watch your short for 10 seconds, then scroll away, and YouTube counts it as a view, but it does nothing for your long form watch hour. So if your entire strategy is just posting random shorts, maybe today you post about cooking, tomorrow you post about lifestyle, you will always feel stuck. Now, I used to make this mistake all the time on my other channel. I will post a short, I will get the views, then just move on to the next one, hoping that the next one would magically fix my whole channel. But guess what? That particular strategy I was using was what actually killed my first channel, if you have been following me. But nothing was connecting together because my short video is different from my long video, and that is the problem most YouTubers don't see. There is no system. You are the main system here. Now, the second thing you need to understand is the real strategy. Now, everything changed immediately I stopped treating shorts like random content. I mean, immediately I opened this channel and started treating them like an entry point or like a funnel. Now, think of it like this: shorts are not the destination. They are the next door that will help you to accumulate your watch hours. Now, the real goal is what happens after someone watches your video. When I started using shorts on my other channel, I thought I had figured YouTube out. One of my video hit few thousands of views. I was excited, checking my YouTube studio every hour and then if I'm about to blow up. But then when I check my watch hour, literally nothing is moving. That is when I realized that something most creators don't understand yet. Now, so instead of making shorts that just entertain and just end like that, I started making shorts that lead to somewhere. For example, I will make a short that sparks curiosity, and then I will intentionally point people to the longer video, I mean the full video of that particular short, where I actually explain everything. Yes, and again, if you're posting your short, you don't have to explain everything on that particular short. You need to post what the short audience will love. Now, the third thing is you need to use short as a funnel. Yes, this is a simple way, and most small YouTubers need to understand this. So instead of you trying to get 100,000 views on a short that go nowhere, you can use it to get 1,000 short viewers and even turn a small percentage of that views into a long form watch time. And that is where your watch hours actually come from. That is why you see all these big YouTubers, they will get thousands of views on their short and also thousands of views on their long form. So they are actually using this strategy to funnel some percentage of their views into their long form video, which actually help them to get that watch hours they needed. So here is a step-by-step strategy that you can use to apply in your short so that you can get watch hours. The first thing is make sure that it's a bigger idea. Do not explain everything in the short. Use the short to create curiosity, then point your viewer to a relating long videos of that particular short that you just posted. Make sure that you deliver the answer, okay? Because if you keep doing short with no connection to your long form content, you will keep getting the views, but you still stay stuck at the same watch hours for months or even for years. So if you feel like your watch hour is not working for YouTube monetization, it's not that the YouTube is broken, it's because your content has no bridge between attention and watch time. Like it doesn't have any connection. So fix that bridge and everything changes for you. So if this video helped you, I can also break down how to structure a viral shot that can actually lead people into your long form. Just let me know in the comment section and I'm going to help you with that video. So tell me in the comment section, are you connecting your short videos to your long form video? I want to see all your comments and I will be replying them. Thank you. And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Dara. I help small and new YouTubers grow on this channel. So if you are interested, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and take a seat there so that you will enjoy every bit of our videos in this channel. Thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.